If you're waking up with a stiff lower back, struggling to sit or stand for long periods, or constantly shifting in your chair to get comfortable, this video is your wake-up call. You don't need a gym, fancy gear, or even much time. These 7 simple moves are designed to relieve tension, improve flexibility, and strengthen the muscles that support your spine. Let's get into it, and don't forget to comment after each move. Number 1. Cobra Stretch. Open up your spine and strengthen your back. Lie flat on your stomach with your hands placed under your shoulders. Press through your palms to lift your chest off the ground, keeping your elbows slightly bent and your hips grounded. Hold the position for 15 to 30 seconds, breathing deeply. Benefits. The Cobra Stretch lengthens the spine, strengthens the lower back muscles, and improves posture by counteracting the effects of slouching or forward head posture. It's especially great for decompressing the lumbar spine and boosting spinal mobility. Did your spine just thank you? Type Cobra Power in the comments if this stretch opened you up. Number 2. Hip circles. Loosen those hips. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and place your hands on your hips. Begin making large, slow circles with your hips, moving them forward, to the side, backward, and then around again. Complete 5 circles in one direction before switching to the other. Benefits. Hip circles help increase mobility in your hip joints, which is crucial for movements like squatting, walking, and even dancing. They also help reduce lower back pain by loosening up the surrounding muscles and improving circulation. Let's be real. Who added a little salsa move while doing this? Be honest in the comments section. Number 3. Child's pose. Relax, release, and reboot. Kneel down and sit your hips back towards your heels, extending your arms forward and resting your forehead on the floor. Breathe deeply and hold for 30 to 45 seconds. Benefits. This yoga classic gently stretches the spine, hips, and lower back while calming your nervous system. It's the ultimate reset button after sitting, standing, or stressing all day. Add it to your nightly wind-down routine. You'll thank yourself later. Feel your stress melting away? Comment Zen back if this made you breathe deeper. Number 4. Glute Bridges. Activate your lazy glutes. Lie flat with knees bent and feet shoulder width apart. Press through your heels to lift your hips off the ground, squeezing your glutes at the top. Hold for 2 seconds, then lower slowly. Repeat for 12 to 15 reps. Benefits. Strong glutes are crucial for a healthy lower back. When they're weak, your back ends up doing extra work, leading to pain. This move fires up your glutes, strengthens your hips, and improves pelvic stability, which reduces stress on your spine. Feeling that burn where it counts? Drop a glutes on fire if your backside woke up. Number 5. Standing toe touch. Wake up those hamstrings. Stand tall with your feet hip width apart. Slowly bend at your hips and reach for your toes, keeping your legs as straight as possible. Hold the position for a few seconds before slowly coming back up. If you can't touch your toes, don't worry. Just go as far as you can while feeling a nice stretch. Benefits. This movement helps improve hamstring flexibility, which is essential for preventing lower back pain and keeping your legs strong and mobile. It also stretches your calves and lower back, making it a great full-body mobility move. Could you actually touch your toes, or was it more like air touching? Number 6. Cat-cow stretch. Fix that stiff back. Start on all fours with your hands directly under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Inhale as you arch your back, lifting your chest and tilting your pelvis forward. This is the cow position. Then exhale as you round your back, tucking your chin and pulling your belly button toward your spine. This is the cat position. Repeat this movement for 10 slow and controlled reps. Benefits. This movement increases spinal flexibility and helps lubricate the joints in your back, making it perfect for anyone who experiences stiffness after long periods of sitting. It also engages your core, improving overall posture and preventing back pain. Plus, it just feels amazing, especially in the morning. Comment meow magic if your back just loosened up, Number 7. Deep squat hold, the ultimate hip and back opener. Get into a deep squat position, keeping your feet flat on the ground. Make sure your knees stay aligned with your toes, and keep your chest up rather than collapsing forward. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds, breathing deeply as you feel the stretch in your hips, legs, and lower back. Benefits: this movement helps improve lower body flexibility, strengthens your legs, and enhances your ability to maintain good posture. It also improves your balance and stability, making everyday movements like bending and lifting much easier. How long can you hold this squat? Type your record time below, no cheating. And just like that, you've taken a huge step toward beating lower back pain. These 7 moves are simple but powerful. Do them regularly and you'll notice less tightness, more strength, and better posture. Your back deserves this care. Which move made you feel the biggest difference? Comment below. I want to hear your experience. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that follow, tap the like, and turn on notifications for more easy-to-follow mobility and pain relief routines. Let's keep your body strong and pain-free. See you in the next one.